Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I will talk about your writing exam and what kind of thing you should avoid in the written exam. So I hope it will help you. So the first thing is when you will sit in the exam, especially for writing. Okay. So the first thing people often they forget to take care. That is the number one thing, that is the means what kind of pen I will use. That is the first thing. Okay, that's why before the exam, you must be sure that what kind of pen you will use, whether it will be blue, gel pen, or whatever. Okay, so if you have decided that I will use blue pen or the black pen, then you just take it. Okay, at least you should accompany with you at least 3 or 4 pen with you. Okay, that is the first thing. And another thing is. Students they often read or study late at night and they try to appear in the exam. In that way also, you are not doing justice to your body. Okay, because it will have negative impact on your in the examination hall. Okay, let's say that before the day of the exam you have been studying since night. Okay, since night you have been studying till morning. Okay, but will that help you? No, that will not help you, because when you will appear in the examination hall you will feel very sleepy. Your health, your body will not support you. In that way, whatever the thing you have read, that all will be gone. That's why do not do that mistake. Do not keep things for the last minute of the for the exam. Okay, do not do it. That is the thing. And another thing is consuming uh, various foods, means you don't know what you are eating. Okay, in that way also it will not help you. Your body will not support you. That's why try to eat something that is very light. Okay, that will make you not very heavy. Okay, if some foods that you are consuming, if that is very strong, then that will also make you sleepy. That will feel you very lazy. In that way also you will not be enthusiastic enough to write down the things that you should have written. That's why do not eat heavy meal. Do not consume meat, fish, egg like that. Just have very simple dish like potato fry and then rice. Then that's okay. Okay, that's it. And just come and reach the examination hall at least before the 30 minutes or before 1 hour. You must do that. When you will reach on time, then you will feel very lost. Okay, you will feel restless, because to enter into the room and to find your seat plan, it will take time. That's why if you want to be comfortable inside the examination hall, if you want to be relaxed, then you have to reach before the time. Okay, that is the thing. And take all the documents with you, from admit card, registration card, whatever it is needed, that thing. And another thing is before the examination day you should plan you will spend how much time for one question. Okay, you must have that time management thing, otherwise you will suffer. Most of the students I have seen, for they even they do not observe, okay, that this question carries how many marks. That too they tend to forget. Do not do it. I have seen students, they just take first question and that is easy for them, and they are just writing it. Then already 1 hour is passed. In that way, though you have immense knowledge, you will not going to excel. That's why you try to manage your time. Take wristwatch with you, that I have already said in my many videos. Then if you have decided that for 15 marks question I will give only 25 minutes, then just do it. Do not exceed the time. Then all question will be touched, and your examination or your exam result will be fine. So that's all. That is the preliminary thing I have said. But there are many more common errors that students often do that I will try to say here. Number one thing is not reading the question at least twice or thrice. Okay, when you will get the question paper, then for your first work is to read the question. Okay, from the beginning to the end. That's why you read at least twice and thrice. After that, whatever you feel easy, that you try to do, and then you keep the last one at the last, or keep the hard one at the last. Then another thing is. Students they often write in a very unclear way. Okay, they will write the line, then again they will cut it, and their handwriting is not so visible. One handwriting is bigger, another is smaller. In that way also it will hamper. Do not do it. Your handwriting should follow its own discipline. Okay, do not do it. Okay, but keep in mind that thing. And another thing is people or students they often commit this mistake, and that is number one is punctuation mistake. They do not give proper comma and in inverted comma, semicolon, then colon, then exclamatory mark, that kind of thing. That is the first thing. And another thing is spelling mistake, grammatical mistake, many more words mistake. You use capital word or capital letter between the sentence like that. Okay, so that kind of thing too you have to avoid. Do not do that kind of thing. And another thing is not taking the time to think. Okay, when you will read that question, then if you have decided that now I will do it, then before writing the answer you have to make sure what kinds of thing you will write. Many students, they write very unnecessary and meaningless things or irrelevant things. Okay, that's why do not do it. Or organize your answer inside your brain, then you pour it out. That thing you do. Then when you take additional page or additional pages, then please try to mention the number of that page. Otherwise it will be messy. Then when examiner will see that this the last page and the first page has no similarity, then he will not give mark and he will not try to order it. Okay, that's why do not do that mistake. Okay, if you have taken first page, then just at the beginning of that page just write first page or number one or just one and then circle it. That thing. And another thing is you have to also think about whether you will go outside or not. Okay, that thing you have to keep in mind before the start of the examination hall. That so should I have to go outside for the urinal, for the toilet? That you fix. Okay, that you can fix because you know your body, and when it feels that it should go outside, that all thing is known by you or your body. That's why you work according to it. Okay. Then handwriting, your handwriting should be very clear. That I have already told you. And when you will write an answer, first you give introduction, then you address the question, then you include main points related to that question or that chapter, then you give the conclusion, and then try to also give example from the text, then quotation from the text. That thing you have to do. Okay, and you have to also make sure how many pages you will write for one question or how long you will write. That you should have done before the examination hall. Means before the exam you should have done it, and your answer writing should be a little bit fast. Okay, and that can be achieved only through answer writing practice. Otherwise you cannot one day just become a master. Okay, that thing you keep in mind. And many students, they often forget to mention answer question number. I have checked many questions like that, but I have given the mark, but not all will give that. Okay, that's why you have to keep in mind. I have seen many students, they just write answer, then write A. What A? You have to write 1A, B A, 6A, D 7A, D 8A, just like that. Okay, keep in mind that thing. And many students, they just don't write. They just write answer, and that's all, and then just start writing. That thing also you have to keep in mind. Do not do that mistake. Okay. Otherwise, your mark will suffer and nothing will happen. That is the thing. And that's all I have told you. The most of the things that should be needed. And many students, they often repeat the words. Do not repeat the words. Do not repeat the sentence in the answer sheet. Okay, you just try to use another word, and it must be meaningful. And always try to use transition word. Okay, means like besides, however, moreover, furthermore, at the last, on the other hand, on the one hand, as a matter of fact, like that. These all are transition words that you have to keep in mind. And your answer writing, that for that answer must have its own flow. Okay, many students, they are just writing the first sentence is okay, then second sentence is not okay, then third it has no relevant, it is meaningless. And if you write like that, then if you write 5 or 6 pages, then too you will not get mark. Okay, you do not do that mistake. Keep in mind. Okay, that's it. I have told you most of the things, and I wish you all the best for the examination, and hope you will give your best, and in that way you will achieve your dream. And I will say nothing more, because you all are smart enough to know the importance of your exam, and try to value that thing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.